Are you tired of bad smells and poor air quality inside your car? Then stick around, because today we're counting down the top 5 best cabin air filters, from washable lifetime filters to advanced odor defense systems. These picks will keep your car's air fresher, cleaner, and cooler than ever. Let's get started. Number 5. K&N Premium Washable Cabin Air Filter. Is your car smelling musty every time you turn on the AC? That's a dirty filter at work. The K&N Premium Washable Cabin Filter, priced at just $38, is your solution. It boosts airflow and cooling efficiency while fighting bad odors. Washable, reusable, and built to last the entire life of your car. Plus, it installs in under 5 minutes with no tools needed, eco-friendly, cost-saving, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 4. Spearhead Odor Defense Breathe Easy Cabin Filter. After a few long drives, does your cabin start smelling stale or smoky? The Spearhead Breathe Easy filter, available for just $13, uses real coconut shell activated carbon to trap gases, fumes, and odors before they reach your cabin. It lasts 25% longer than standard filters and blocks even the tiniest particles for cleaner, crisper air, easy to install, and fits a wide range of vehicles, keeping your cabin air fresher for longer. Number 3. Puroma Cabin Air Filter with Activated Carbon. If your AC isn't cooling efficiently, or your cabin smells unpleasant, you need a smarter filter. The Puroma Activated Carbon Filter, priced at only $9, captures odor-causing particles and delivers a fresh, clean breeze for every ride. It boosts HVAC performance, protects your engine, and installs in just 10 minutes. Perfect fit and lasting protection, all at an unbeatable value. Number 2. Bosch R2543 Activated Carbon Cabin Filter. For those who demand premium air quality, the Bosch R2543 has you covered. At just $21, it features 5 advanced layers that trap 99% of harmful contaminants, from dust and smoke to toxic gases like ozone and nitrogen oxide. Made with activated charcoal, it ensures cleaner air and even prevents windshield hazing. Trusted Bosch quality with multi-layer protection you can rely on. Number 1. Fram Cabin Air Filter. Tired of sneezing and bad air quality while driving? The Fram Fresh Breeze Filter, available for just $13, combines Arm & Hammer baking soda and carbon to remove up to 98% of dust, pollen, and odors. It's easy to install, located right behind your glove box, and takes just 15 minutes to replace. With top-rated odor control and smooth airflow, Fram keeps every drive fresh and clean.